Assalamualaikum and hi. We from Gurnai will present about fruit, vegetable, and cash crop of eggplant. My name Siti Aisyah binti Shafi'i. Metric number is F20A601. Introduction. Eggplant called as Solanum melongena and also called Ubercane or Quinoa squash. Family for eggplant is Solanaceae. Eggplant be native South Asia. Eggplant closely related to tomato and potato, and also chili pepper. Climate for eggplant is warm or high temperature. Grow fastest when temperature between 17 until 85 degrees. Eggplant very slow during cooler weather. Eggplant grow in well-drained, sandy loam or loam soil, fairly in organic matter. Next, characteristic of eggplant. Eggplant has a large leaf, white to purple flowers with 5 lobed corolla and yellow stamens, and a white fruit with numerous and small seeds, large cylindrical, egg-shaped fruit with moth, and the color dark purple, and eggplant has glossy skin. Variety for eggplant. Eggplant has 8 variety. It is grafty eggplant, Italian eggplant, Japanese and Chinese eggplant, fairy tail eggplant, white eggplant, Indian eggplant, little green eggplant, and also Thai eggplant. Thank
Planting distance and planting system. For the planting distance between rows 2 to 4 feet. For the distance between crops 2 feet. Next, for the planting system, first, eggplant crop use a fertigation system. The fertigation system can prevent disease and also increasing crop yields. Before transplanting the eggplants into polybag 16 x 16 inch, prepare the spot with mulching method to prevent weeds from growing. Then, last, use irrigation system to watering crops.
Hello, my name is Amir Imran bin Azmi, F20A0658. Planting materials is a feeding tray, pet row, and baja folia. The type of nursery of eggplant. The type is have a two type is first conventional cultivation, second lawn eggplant cultivation. The propagation method. Eggplant is a member of the nightshade family, required warm and long growing season, and it's easy to propagate under right conditions. Sowing seed.
Hi, I'm Kugni, son of Raju, and my metric number is F20A0411. I'm going to present about the general maintenance of eggplant, which is divided by 3: mulching, fertilization, and pest and disease control. Okay, first of all, we're going with mulching of eggplant. Mulching eggplant is essential to the growth and can result in higher yields whether you use organic or synthetic mulches. Mulch can help them to create right growing environment for eggplant while promoting soil moisturizer. The first one is organic mulches. Organic mulches, which is use grass clippings, leaves, sawdust, and wood chips. The next thing is black plastic, which help to warm up the soil. And the next thing is landscape fabrics. The next thing is fertilization for eggplant. The mostly used is potassium, phosphorus, and nitrogen. Potassium, which contributes to the stem strength and disease resistance. The next thing is phosphorus, which benefits the formation of the new roots and used in fruit and flower production, and nitrogen as well. The most preferable scale for the fertilization is 10 10 10, which is for potassium, phosphorus, and nitrogen. Okay, the last thing is pest and disease control. flea beetles, which mostly damage seriously only on seedlings, often create tiny holes on the plants, and it can prevent with remove carbon debris often and grow them under row covers until they are large. The next thing is powder. The next thing is fertilization for eggplant. The mostly used is potassium, phosphorus and nitrogen. Potassium, which contributes to the stem strength and disease resistance. The next thing is phosphorus, which benefits the formation of the new roots and used in fruit and flower production, and nitrogen as well. The most preferable scale for the fertilization is 10 10 10, which is for potassium, phosphorus and nitrogen. Okay, the last thing is pest and disease control. Flea beetles, which mostly damage seriously only on seedlings, often create tiny holes on the plants, and it can prevent with remove carbon debris often and grow them under row covers until they are large. The next thing is powder.
Now we move to harvesting. Okay, so duration to harvest each plants about 75 days after transplanting. Okay, 10 to 12 pig at weekly interval are possible. Okay, yields can be varied with the variety can climatic condition. Okay, micro 20 until 25 ton per hectare. Okay, average production. Okay, average yield. Okay, 500 until 700 bushel, which is 33 pounds per bushel. What we call per acre. Okay, harvesting criteria. Fruit harvesting focus on market size and skin glossy. Okay, variety elongated fruit take more time to ripen. Maturity index. Consequence of aged plants is a chilling inject. For example, preteen, surface bruising, browning of seed and plant tissue. Okay, at 5 derajat Celsius, sensitive at a temperature below 10 derajat Celsius. Shelling index which will occur in 5 until 8 days. Okay, Alternaria spp is common in shelling stress fruit. Shelling inject is cumulative in the field prior to harvest. So this is example of the shelling inject, fitting, surface bruising, and seed browning. Marketing. Okay, post-harvest operation of each plant have a 5 stage. Okay, first selection. Fruit selection is essential to maintain the quality. Okay, washing. Washing to help to remove the any soil from the surface of the fruit. Okay, drying. Okay, drying to avoid demand fruit. Okay, packaging is important so that the fruit are in a safe condition to the customer. And lastly is storage. Okay, storage also important to the supply is always adequate. Okay, so storage. Each plant are tender and should be handled carefully. Okay, each plant can be stored for up to 1 week at the 55 degrees and 90 until 95% relative humidity. So that's all from me. Thank you.